Point-slope form of the equation of a line. The formula is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. The slope is m and the point is x1, y1. So, how to use the point-slope form to write an equation of a line that passes through the point 3, -1 and has a slope of -1. So the first thing to do is write the formula. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1, and then substitute in the appropriate pieces. So I have y minus -1 equals the slope, which is m of -1, times x minus 3, which is x1. So y minus -1 is y plus 1, and just equals -1 times x minus 3. And you're done with this problem here, because you just have to put it in point-slope form. Now, let's move on to another example. The point will be 4, 5, and the line has a slope of 2. So, first, write down the formula. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So, x1 is the first coordinate of the point, and y1 is the second coordinate. M is the slope, which in this particular problem is 2. So, I have y minus 5 equals 2 times x minus 4. And that problem is done right there. And that is point-slope form of the equation of a line that goes through the point 4, 5 and has a slope of 2. Now, it gets a little more difficult. Write the equation in slope-intercept form, given a point and a slope. So now I'm given a point and a slope, and I have to put it in slope-intercept form. So the point in this problem is going to be -1, 6, and the slope will be -3. So the first thing I'm going to do is put it into point-slope form, which is y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. And now I can substitute in the pieces that I need. So y minus 6 equals -3 times x minus -1. So let's just put this all together. Y minus 6 equals -3 times x minus -1 is x plus 1. Now that's point-slope form, but they want it in slope-intercept form. So what you need to do now is solve for y. So first thing I'm going to do, rewrite y minus 6, then distribute that -3 in through the parentheses. So -3x minus 3. Now add 6 to both sides. And I end up with y equals -3x plus 3. And now that is in slope-intercept form, with an intercept of 3 and a slope of -3. Here's another one. This time we have a point of -2, 8 and a slope of -4. So again, write down the point-slope form. Y minus y1 equals m times x minus x1. So there's y1, 8. So y minus 8, m is -4. So -4 times x minus, there's x1, -2. Alright, so let's just put this together a little better. Y minus 8 equals -4. X minus -2 is x plus 2. Now I'm just going to solve for y. Y minus 8 equals -4x. Have to distribute. So you have -4x minus 8. Now add 8 to both sides. and you end up with y equals negative 4 plus 0. Negative 4x plus 0, which is y equals negative 4x, which would be the answer. So this has a y-intercept of 0 and a slope of negative 4. And that's it. Boom. Done.